Phoebe Stewart with ABC News. The trial of a woman accused of aiding in an abduction from a Darwin women's shelter has begun in the Northern Territory Supreme Court. It's alleged Joan Bowen used a false identity to gain access to the safe house and relayed information to the kidnappers in return for methamphetamine. The court heard that evidence was then used to help the kidnappers find and abduct their victim.
Jury members were today taken to the Darwin safe house where Monique Edmondson was kidnapped in August 2012. She was taken at gunpoint by Joshua Walsh, who later killed himself rather than surrender to police. The trial focused on how Walsh was able to find Ms Edmondson and abduct her. It's alleged Joan Bowen posed as a victim of domestic violence to enter the refuge. Once in, she's accused of supplying information to Walsh via phone about the facility. Monique Edmondson told the court she was taken to the safe house by Walsh's sister. The prosecution alleges Walsh then managed to track her down by getting the facility's phone number from his sister's phone. It's alleged he then sent Joan Bowen in to look for Miss Edmondson. The jury heard that once inside, Bowen contacted Walsh saying, "It's like Fort Knox, room keys and all." He then asked, "Is she there?" Bowen replied, "It's hard to tell, too many rooms." He asked, "How do I get in?" Joan Bowen's defence lawyer argued that to this, she never replied. Hours later, Miss Edmondson told the court she heard gunshots and a male voice, and quickly warned other guests. "It's not fireworks. Everyone get back inside and shut your doors." And I did the same. I was petrified, shocked. I expected him to kill me then and there. Ms Edmondson said it was only later that she recognised Bowen as being inside the shelter on the night. The defence's case hinges on the argument Bowen didn't know she was aiding in an abduction. She thought she was only being sent into the safe house to pass on an apology to Edmondson. The trial resumes tomorrow. Marty McCarthy, ABC News, Darwin.